Good morning, everybody. Welcome back. No stress futures trading. Well, we just keep on pushing higher on the NQ. We have the very bullish candle here from last week. So let's break this down. We have the previous week high. And let's go now to the daily mark order Monday range here. So Monday high and our Monday low. We had a nice wick up candle here, pushing again to new all-time highs. Let's break this down to 4-hour chart. We have a order block, very bullish order block. Four-hour bullish order block. Say here. So 4-hour bullish order block. Any pullback into this or bullish would be a very good buy. Anything in this zone here is also imbalance from this candle here. So very strong order block here. Any pullback here and I'd be going long. But okay, so let's try to get some projections here. Right now we are just ranging sideways because we do have the Fed speaking at 5:35 here. That's London time. So we're just going to be probably chopping around till after he speaks. Well, let's break this down to the 15-minute. So we do have this gap up here. That's a 15-minute fair value gap here. Opening gap. So that's another area of interest here, this gap in efficiency. So possible scenario, like after the couple scenarios I'd be looking at. Yesterday the trade didn't pan out. Today, I mean, if we let's see if we could get so higher high, still trending up here. 1 hour order block here. This is the 15-minute fair value gap. Here's another. If we were to spike down, looking for longs, if we were to spike down here and reclaim, I'll go for long. And if we were to go, well, that'd be along from here, say down here, to at least this target here. Or if we go after the press release, we go above, like spike up, come back down, close below Monday's low, then fill this gap, something like this, to close this 15-minute gap here. So see what the price action. There's no point now. There are a couple scenarios that might play out, but we'll have to see. Any pullbacks, deep pullbacks, I will be looking for a long. These are a couple of long options here, or a target for shorts. But that's it for today. Like I said, gonna be waiting for the news to see where price action goes. And like I said, we're just no point playing the chop. That's the easiest way to lose money. You want clear targets or entry points and wait for price action to see if you get the trades in your favor. Thanks for joining. Please like, subscribe, comments. Thanks.